Hey guys, welcome back in the kitchen with me. So today we're going to be making a simple peach cobbler recipe. Come on, let's get started. Okay, so in this pot, I have 2 large cans of sliced peaches cooking in heavy syrup, drained. So I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, nutmeg, ground cinnamon, and vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to get this all mixed up and let this cook for a bit. Oh, it smells so good already. So we're just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And so while this is cooking, we're going to go and start on the process of the dough. And so for this process, we're going to use 1½ cup of self-rising flour, sugar, a cup of whole milk. We're going to add about a teaspoon of cinnamon to this. And you want this to kind of be the consistency of making some pancakes or something. So it's going to be loose, so don't think like, oh, this is too loose. And I'll share with you also, if you can't find the self-rising flour, you can just add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder to your all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that will give you your self-rising flour. So I've melted a stick of butter in this pan. It's a 9 by 13 pan is what I'm going to use. We're going to pour this mixture right on top of this melted butter. I'm not going to mix anything. We're just going to pour it on there. And this is just a quick and simple peach cobbler if you want a taste for some peach cobbler. I know it's not the old school where you make the crust and roll it out with the dough, but this is just as good. And so now that we have that in there, we're going to pour the peaches right on top of here. Okay, so now we're going to, now that I have this the batter poured in the pan, we're going to take the peach mix and we're just going to pour it right in the center of there. Don't do anything to it. And then I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar and cinnamon on top of it. And then we're going to pop this in the oven and let it bake for about 55 minutes to an hour. The oven should be preheated at 350. Okay guys, welcome back. So I have the peach cobbler here and I let it bake for about 50 minutes. So I'll tell you, just check on it when you get to about 45-50 minutes because everybody oven bakes a little bit different. But this is the end results of it and it smells so good. So it's been sitting about 10 minutes now, cooling off. And so I'm gonna get a scoop out of here and give it a try. So. All right. This is good. If you like peach cobbler, this is good. So I want you all to give this recipe a try. and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.